If you have a DT240 hub or any other wheel set that use the DT Star Ratchet internal, you're in luck. They make a upgrade. Stock, they're 18 tooth, the upgraded one's 36. What this means is your engagement will go from 20 degrees down to 10 degrees. Some of the other company that use the DT Swiss internal are, I believe, Bontrager, Reynolds, and lightweight carbon wheels. To get started, you need a couple of tools. Quick release, one that you don't really care because the thread right here just might get chewed up a little. 4mm Allen wrench. The install is fairly simple. 4mm Allen wrench, insert it in the hole where the quick release will normally go. Quick release, put it on the other end. Stick it in right there. Give it a good push. Okay, here's the cap. Put that off this side for now. Remove the quick release. Grab hold of the free body. Be careful because there's a spring in there. Here's the free hub body. Here's the spring I was talking about. With that, we'll just put this to the side for now. This is the stock 18 tooth Star Ratchet system. I got the upgrade 36 tooth Star Ratchet system right here. I already pre-lubed this with some grease. DT Swiss claim you're supposed to use their proprietary grease, but I've been using the Chris King grease because that's what I have on hand for a while with no issues. Now to get it back all together, put your Star Ratchet system down right here. The free hub body, the spring, the smaller side goes toward the hub. Free hub body. Press it down. Oops. Here's a cap where I'll keep everything in place. And there you go. There we go. Now it's in. DT Swiss claim you don't need any tools for this, but I found a quick release and Allen wrench make your life a whole lot easier. They claim you could just grab hold of the cap and pull it off, but it's really difficult. And so there you have it. You have your upgraded Star Ratchet system in your